Hey guys, I'm here with our final cell activator experiment. Over the past few weeks, I've been working with different cell activator recipes. The recipes have combined Floetrol, Minwax Pre-Stain, and various other pouring mediums. Today I'm continuing testing with my cell activator number 5. If you're new to this channel, I will link the playlist with all of the recipes that I've covered so far in the description below. I'm working on 4x4 ceramic tiles, and my pillow is Valspar 2000 Semi-Gloss in High Hide White. In case you missed my last video with this cell activator, the ratio is 1 part Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam Pouring Medium, 1 part Lukas Cryl Pouring Medium, half a part of GAC 800, and 5 drops of Minwax Pre-Stain. This recipe is just a combination of all the different mediums that I've tested out so far. As you'll see at the end, some of the tiles had a bit of cracking. This was the first set that I had split in a while. Again, cracking is usually caused by the bottom layer of paint drying slower than the top layer. As acrylic paint dries, it starts to develop a film and harden. If the paint on top has already started this process, the bottom will pull at that layer as it begins to dry as well. Ideally, you want your pillow layer to be applied thinly. If you're getting to the end of your paint and it's starting to thicken up too much, you can always add some GAC 800 to your pillow paint to thin it back down. You can use water as well, but you have to be really careful as adding too much water will break the binders in the paint. So guys, we finally made it through all of the cell activator recipes. In my next video, I'll be bringing you a side-by-side comparison of all the canvas pours that we've gone through on this journey. I want to give you a closer look at the differences in results between the recipes. The differences are a little more apparent when you're able to see them next to each other. Since we're finishing up on this cell activator journey, what do you guys want to see next? Would you guys like for me to share more about blooms, or would you like some more experiments with other pours? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I bring a new video every Tuesday and Friday. That's it for me. I'll see you guys next time with all the pours we finished on this cell activator showdown. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!